passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch you.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. So this setup is everything to me. I love having Mona over here, Pathonia and Pothiana over here now too, and Pathonia in the back is doing much better than when she was over there. So anywho, sorry, let me turn that off. I always forget, y'all know I do apologize, but let me turn that ringer off. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this Teddy Blake luxury unboxing video. I wouldn't say first impressions because I've had Teddy Blake since around 2016 2017, so I am really familiar with Teddy Blake and I absolutely love Teddy Blake. And I know people are like hitting me up left and right now but I absolutely love Teddy Blake. The first time I ever got one of their bags, it was the gray bag, and I want to say it was from the Kate collection maybe, and it was really big, and I used it for school. I used it to store my laptop and take the class, and then from that point I had got the Bella bag. I purchased 3 or 4 bags myself, so this is not just, oh, I get a free bag and I want to show you all and say I love it so much. No, I literally shopped Teddy Blake you know, outside of them gifting me bags. So I do have 3 bags to show you. Actually, this was originally a 2-bag video. That footage was deleted and I was so sad about that, but we are here now. I still have the original unboxing footage, so lucky for you all, you get to see that. And then I went on a spur of the moment and I found a purse, y'all, so I did purchase that as well. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. I love Teddy Blake. I love how the bags are crafted. It is definitely genuine leather. It is crafted in Italy. And you feel it. You definitely feel the quality of the bag. My first bag from about 4 years ago honestly only has 1 scuff on it, and that was from me being careless with it. But other than that, my bags have stood the test of time. And most of the time, if I'm wearing a purse, 9 times out of 10, I'll say 7 times out of 10, it's a Teddy Blake purse. So this first bag here is actually, I really just wanted a red bag for the fall, and this is from the Kate line. So I'll have all the direct links down below. I also have a coupon code, so be sure to sign up on their site for the newsletter and things like that so you can know when to save and all of that good stuff. But outside of that, I have a coupon code which is TB Daquana 20, and I'll have that in the description box as well, along with the links to the specific purses that I'm showing you today. So this one here, and I've been really loving purses lately. I've purchased about 5 purses or 4 like higher end purses. Now they weren't thousands of dollars, and that's one thing that I love about Teddy Blake. They're accessible, so you get genuine leather high-end bags, but they are accessible. And I love that you also have the option to pay, break up your payments, so you don't have to spend $500 in one lump sum. And 9 times out of 10, again, they're always having a sale, and if not, I do have a code which will be in a description. But you do get high quality that's accessible and affordable, and you don't necessarily have to pay all at once. So I actually just did a bag haul or unboxing from Teddy Blake, and that's because I had wanted a nude purse. So one thing I noticed with Teddy Blake, well, from the first purse, when I got my second one, it was like I really wish that their logo was on every bag on the outside. And then from that first purse and on, the first purse didn't have it, but every single bag after that had the logo, because I just didn't want people to feel like, oh, you have a knockoff bag or something like that. Like, no, this is literally a high-end brand, and I wanted Teddy Blake to be proud to put their names on their purses. Okay, so I'm happy that they do put their names, and this one is actually gold hardware, so I appreciate that. I love red and gold. So here you have the inside, which I do have something in there, and that was something that I was bringing downstairs to put in the bathroom, some hand soap. So then also you get your, you know, your tickets, your tags to let you know this is authentic. And then I also love that you can go on the back here This is the front of the bag. Okay, you can go in the back and unsnap it and then give yourself some more room. So you can't necessarily like zip the top or close the top of it, but you can push it closed and you can snap it that way. And then they do have zipper pockets on the interior, so you can put like your money, your phone, your wallet, things that are more important and not just at the top of your bag. So I do like that, and I love that they do have, you know, the elongated straps that you can attach to your bags. I think that's honestly a selling point for me when I realize I can either carry it like this or I can attach a strap and make it longer. So that's the first bag that I have. Now I'm going to show you the actual unboxing of these first two bags that I'm going to show you, and I'll also give you some more background information while we do that. So one thing, like I said about Teddy Blake, I love that they are a luxury brand that is affordable. And I also love that they have so many different designs that are unique and handcrafted in design. And with that being said, I don't want a bag that I can easily go find down the street. I want something that has some thought put into it, even if it's still simple. And I love that the leather on the bag, sorry, I got tongue tied there, but the leather on the bag is premium. Okay, it's high end, it's made in Italy, from Italy, and I appreciate that. And lastly, I also, well, it's a few other things I wanted to mention. So they do again work in Italian factories along with other luxurious brands. So a few more things I wanted to mention. So they do work in the same Italian factories as other luxurious brands. Again, as I mentioned, they are made in Italy. They aren't just saying that. And then it is really not easy. I wouldn't say easy to access because it's not a $20 bag, but it is going to be more affordable than a lot of the high-end luxurious bags that you see, and I do appreciate that. And I also appreciate the fact that Teddy Blake does allow you to, you know, break up your payments if you need or want that option. So I really do appreciate that. And lastly, I do want to encourage y'all to visit the website and also sign up for their newsletter so that you see any sales and things that they have. And I usually catch the perfect bag randomly from an email that they send, and they be having like sales up to 70% off. So I really appreciate that. So let's go ahead and begin to dive into the next bag. So this is from the Adelia line. I wish my other purse was up here. It's actually downstairs hanging up, because that's the one I'm currently using. So you guys remember my Adelia bag, which was bigger than this, and it was a really light taupey nude color, and I said I was looking for something really simple. And I know a lot of people was like, well, I like, you know, more of a pop with my bags. And I'm like, well, this is something where I can wear it like every single day. And one year for my birthday, I also got either an Ava or a Kate bag. I think it was Ava, and it was like a nude color as well. So usually when I go to buy purses, it's something that I want to wear for a really long time. But I stepped out of my comfort zone and in my box, well, out of my box with this one here. So this is a blue and gray combo, and this is again from the Adelia. And I love Adelia. I love the zipper in the middle here. I love the space inside Adelia. Let me see if I can push it this way. But she's more sturdy, okay? She's definitely sturdy. Both are sturdy, but this one has a little more boxy to her. So I do love that. You do get the dust bags, which I'll show you in the beginning, but I have hers in here. So this one does come with a dust bag. All of them do. And then you have the strap to elongate your purse and wear it on your shoulder instead of carry it with your hands. So I do love that. And now, like I said, I love the zipper here, where I can put like my wallet and I feel like I never opened that. It was a little tough. But my wallet, my phone, things that are more important that I don't just want sitting on top of the bag, because again, the top of this one is also open. And when you put things in, it may expand a little bit, but the way it's kind of built, it's built to be more narrow at the top, so people don't necessarily see directly into your purse. So absolutely love that. And these are the authenticity tags right here. So I'm gonna end up taking this off and actually putting it just inside the purse, just so that it's here. I never resell my Teddy Blake purses, but just in case I did, I want to make sure I have that authenticity tag. So that is this purse here. And the reason why I snagged this one is because when Teddy Blake reached out to me to gift me a bag, I was like, I really love this one here. But this one was, I think, being discontinued. So I was like, well, I gotta get it because I've been wanting this since my birthday. But when my friend went to go buy it for my birthday, she said basically the color I wanted, which was like the lime green outline, was out of stock. So I was like, well, let me go get the blue one because I really just loved how this bag was made. And I like the size. It's like a small medium bag. So that is her. She's gorgeous. And I only seen one Adelia, one or three lately when I last looked on the site, so I was really upset about that. So now, well, I'm actually happy because I got my bag. So now I actually purchased a smaller bag. So I have so many Teddy Blake boxes on like display for decoration here. And one thing I want to say is I noticed when companies brand up. I noticed when companies add to their brand. So with Teddy Blake, when I first started getting their bags, they came in a brown box and, you know, they wrapped them and all that good stuff really good. Now, the last time I purchased, the last 2 times I purchased, well 3, I actually have gotten this box here in different sizes. So I appreciate that, and they actually sit on top of my wardrobe over here as like just a decoration. So I can't wait to actually have them decorate my filming studio when I finish with that, or start and finish that. So this is the last bag that I want to show you, and this one is actually, it just arrived today. I haven't seen it, but I saw this on the site and I was like, I really just want to get a small black everyday bag. And I just did a haul where I said that I wanted dang, I keep saying I just did a haul where I said I wanted a black purse that I can wear every day. This one is a little smaller, so I'm still going to get that large one that I told you guys about. But here is the purse. Now we're going to get into it because, y'all, I can't hold this box and talk to y'all, okay? So we're going to go ahead and close that and put that on top of the wardrobe too. Okay. Here we go. We need to stuff that in there. But yes, black and white was the perfect combo. They knew what they were doing with this one here. I absolutely love that they started getting these more so higher end luxury looking boxes. So here it's wrapped up. First impressions. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. And then you take it out. Plastic bag. So this is in the dust bag. They did have the little handle hanging out. This is the smallest Teddy Blake dust bag that I own because I usually get big purses. So here we have Sophia. Sophia. So this is Sophia. And Sophia is so gorgeous. So when I saw this, I was like, I need it. I need it because I feel like this was a different Teddy Blake bag. Not all of them that I have look alike, but this one stood out to me. So let's look at the craftsmanship, okay? This is a bag, okay? This is a higher end feeling bag. This is a mix between leather and suede, and this is just everything. Everything from the chain detail to the TB here. This is gorgeous. So absolutely love this bag, okay? They really did their thing with this one, and again, I feel like it's Teddy Blake, but it's a different feel for me. It's definitely really, really different. Of course, you have your authenticity tags right here, and then open it up, and what really sold me was the red interior. That is such a classic combination, and it's just, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, it's definitely gorgeous. It's smaller. it's something where I would just put my phone, my card holder, my keys, my lip gloss, and that's pretty much it. My hand sanitizer, my mask these days. So absolutely love this bag here, and honestly it's one of my favorite Teddy Blake bags, and I did purchase this one myself, and I also purchased the blue Adelia bag myself as well. So this is not just a, you know, a gift and I'm just showing you and telling you I love it. As I said, like, I literally support and like Teddy Blake, so shout out to them for this bag here. And what I love, let me go ahead and close that up. This has a different smell to it too. This smell high end. But this is not detachable, but you can shorten it by like pulling this chain up and just, you know, making it like that there. So that's as short as it'll go. But I would definitely wear this on my shoulder. One thing about purses like this that have chains, I usually stay away from them if they don't have that strap that'll stay on the shoulder, because chains tend to slide off. But this just feels so good on, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, come on, purse, come on, purse, come on. I think this is really pretty. So thank you, Teddy Blake, for gifting me my Kate bag. But y'all know I rocks with y'all because I purchased the Sophia bag and the Adelia, and earlier this year, like I said, I ordered the other Adelia, which was larger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this luxury bag unboxing of my 3 Teddy Blake purses. Let me know which one was your favorite out of the 3 that I showed you today, and let me know if you've purchased in the past, and let me know if you did, which one did you get.